Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Slack account. Starting fresh on Slack, I'll walk you through how to make a Slack account, join a workspace, and get started chatting with your team, all in less than 3 minutes. Now let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to go to slack.com if you're using your browser, and click on Get Started and create a new workspace or sign in if you're invited. Now on your mobile device, just go to Play Store and then search for Slack application. Once you find it, click on Install and it will be installed and click on Open. Now after you enter Slack, click and create a new account. You can create a new account by using your Google's account, which makes it easier, or just enter your account's credentials. You can use your work email, and Slack will send you a verification code to confirm your email. And for the third step is to create or join a workspace. If creating a new one, give it a name like marketing team or startup devs. You can do that by clicking on the plus button and click on channel. And here you're gonna choose the name for your channel or workspace. You can also invite teams by email or copy the invite link. And the fourth step is to explore the interface. Start by clicking on channels to join discussions, use DMs to chat directly with team members, and upload files, add reactions, and reply in threads. And that's it. Your Slack account is now ready. Now you can collaborate, communicate, and stay organized with your team in real time. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.